Here we have the Earpod headphone plugs from Apple. These are the ones that are wired. I used to use these a lot when I was a kid, and recently I wanted some wired headphones that fitted perfectly in my ear and I couldn't find the right ones, so I thought to just buy the ones that I used as a kid. I bought them double, so I've been using them again. This is the version I haven't unpacked yet. They're as good as I remember them in my childhood. To open them, here at the plastic, you need to pull this little green arrow. And then you can pull it out. And it looks like they don't have a wire in here, but the wire's underneath. The wire's right in there. I'm just gonna pull that off. You kind of have to demolish it. Not the earphones, but the actual package, right? We go. We have them. It's just a normal 3.5 jack. We've got one for the left ear, one for the right ear. It says R and L on it. They fit in my ear. You can't pull too hard on them, so like for sports they might not be the best. However, I just like how they sit in my ear because they don't sit the same as most AirPods, and I just like this feeling a lot better myself. If you use an Apple, you can actually turn your music louder or less loud with these buttons, and there's a microphone in here. However, if you use a Samsung or a different device, then this doesn't work and it's just normal earbuds, I guess. And then further in the package, you can pull this out as well, which is regularly complaints information update and a warranty. And that's everything that's in there. Sadly, nothing that you can put them in to store them. I remember that when I was a kid they came with storage. That's a little bit of a downside because you can get them tangled. However, I didn't ever put the effort in to put them back in the plastic thing that they came in. It took effort to put it in there, you know, so I always put them in my bag like this anyway. So maybe it's not that much of a downside.